Hey, June 20th, the day of my trip to China. See shit. So yeah, I'm heading to get some food, and then I'll probably drop to 7-Eleven, and there's a bus like 13 minutes away or something. So the taxi is quite expensive, you know, it's 350 baht, but the bus should be like 50 only or something. So let's save some money. Yo, so there's a lot of buses, as one is every 20 minutes. I just need to wait. Yeah, it says like the bus is every 20 minutes, but yeah, I'm waiting more than that. Probably like 30 or 40 minutes. Hey, so I didn't catch my bus. I read it on Google that sometimes people wait more than an hour, so I don't know, I suppose if you're lucky. But Google Maps showed me 20 minutes, so I just took a taxi. I lost like maybe €4, so not that bad. It was actually like 240 or something, 240 baht. I just said like no tolls and stuff, then that's pretty much okay, you know. Like I would pay Lithuania probably like €25, so no problem. The flight is already like delayed. I'm flying with Vietjet, like Vietnam Jet Air, so like all the time it's delayed, but yeah, no problem, I can wait. Like I was like I already kind of knew about it, so. Yo, the first time on plane, that's cool. Never happened before. Hey, so it's 11:16. I'm officially in China. Changsha. So yeah, I'm gonna go to security. We actually landed like about like 11 something. Yeah, good flight, quite fast. Everything's okay. It's very clean. All good. I got past security. Yeah, I'm at the airport. Exit. I need to get a taxi or something. I don't know. Like Google Maps ain't working. Nothing's working. Using VPN, I don't know. I actually didn't check Google Maps, but like I need a VPN for Messenger. I need to get a card, SIM card. Probably need to think about booking a ticket out of here also. I have 20 days, no more than 20 days. And yeah, need to book a Diddy. Did my check-in. This is my room. If you're interested, it's called like 7 days something, like I don't know, 7 days. Yeah, 7 days. So it's like something around like €15. Yeah, it looks okay. You know, I'm glad I took a hotel because maybe some cheaper place could be closed. It's already like 2 p.m. So I had a little bit of struggle. I kind of froze my Revolut card, one card, and I needed to pay. I needed to get to like downtown, so like I didn't want to use a taxi. I just got on a bus. So what do you need to know if you're coming here? Like definitely don't allow Alipay. It adds like international cards, no problems, and I think the limit it's around like 1,800 euro, like almost 2,000 euro. So that's a lot of money, but I could be mistaken. Like I think so. Like it's 2,000 euro. So definitely don't allow this. Other thing, like I'm here to like only 3 hours, but I think like Messenger definitely doesn't work, and like Instagram doesn't work, and Google Translate doesn't work, and like Google doesn't work, like a lot of apps doesn't work, and just internet like basically doesn't work. They're like on their own system, you know. So that's very interesting, but no problem. Like if you get like Alipay, definitely don't allow Alipay before going here, and you can just like scan the code offline, no problem. The other thing, it has like a translate. It's like their local translate, so you also can do like translation. And one other thing that I had a problem with was I tried to hail a taxi through Alipay, but my number wasn't like, you know, verified. So I had like a problem because they only like accept Chinese, like other countries, but there wasn't like no Lithuania. I don't think there was even Thailand. Maybe there was Thailand. I don't know. But the thing is, like I had like on an app on that other Diddy app, you can like download it separately. I was like I verified my number. I just don't know it was like which kind. I think it was like Thailand. So all good, you know. I didn't pay much for the taxi. It was like €3 for like 11 kilometers, and like for the bus, it was like also like around three euros. So it was like I think it's like it's quite far, you know. It took me some time. Like I'll check how much did I spend. Um, come on, show me. Like I don't know, like even Revolut doesn't wanna like work. Yeah, €3, €3 12 to €3 23. So that's a very good price. Like, and the airport is quite far. Yeah, definitely Google Maps doesn't work. Airport, 20 kilometers. So that's not bad. Like. Yeah, like shows something, but it's not working like properly. Um, I'm getting some messages. Interesting. Maybe it depends like which Wi-Fi are you using. Like now, you know, now like I have Wi-Fi, but Messenger is like offline. But you know, I have also like VPN. Wonder does Play Store work? If Play Store doesn't work, then that's not good. Very bad. But anyways, yeah, like just download all the apps like Alipay, Diddy, get verify your card. I did that also. Like do all these things. The immigration wasn't like strict, but it's like kind of interesting, like how they live here. Like it's you need to give your passport at the airport for like the bus. That's kind of weird, you know. Everybody's with a seatbelt. That's nice, you know. I like that. But yeah, it looks like there's more control here, you know, and there's like people are more controlled, definitely more controlled. And I had like a weird guy, like he came to me, he like wanted a lighter. Come on, man, you want like a lighter at 1 a.m., you know, and this other kid passed him. He like said to him that, I don't know, that was like kind of weird. Like, but yeah, besides that, I'm happy I'm in China. I'm gonna go try to get some food. Yeah, it looks like a lot of people are smoking here, like the hotel, you know. I think it's very common. I kind of have a place here, like near my hotel, but I don't know, I'm looking for a supermarket. I'll just check out the I don't know, I just came to some kind of random bar, ordered some beef and some naan, or like, I don't know, they're like bread, like they gave me some peanuts. It looks like they're drinking here, so yeah, I paid like 30 yuan. Yeah, that's kind of like almost €4 or €4. But yeah, it is beef, so probably he just said some like random prices, you know. Like I don't fully trust everybody here, especially when I'm a tourist, but yeah. So yeah, they have like, it's like Korean, you know, like, or some kind of barbecue place. Look, the president, cool. The leader, yeah, I don't think they have like a president. It's not look super Chinese, I don't know. But it's good. Took around like a tour around my neighborhood. So in the grocery stores, like, prices are not bad actually, you know. You can get like bananas for 4 yuan. I think it's kilo. I think so, maybe it was like 4. The teas, you know, also 4 yuan, so that's like half an euro. It's pretty much the same price like in Thailand, maybe even cheaper. I don't know about like the street food. I didn't see nothing. Like one guy was like down there eating something, but it was like a grocery store, and like they're doing street food. And the hapa was like also quite expensive. But yeah, a lot of like, you know, some shady places, like people just go out to drink and like I seen like couples and stuff, you know, just hanging out, eating, drinking beer. Like it's like more like a bar restaurant, I don't know. Anyways, I don't know if it's like very good to film here. Maybe they'll think like I'm a USA spy or something, you know.